friends, it's Miss Stedman, and today we're going to talk about the letter C. C makes the K sound. C makes the K sound, like in cat. We are going to write the letter C together. So I want you, as I'm writing this, I want you to do this on your own. For the letter C, for the uppercase letter C, we're going to start just below the top line. We're going to go around and back. Now let's do the lowercase c together. And we're going to do the exact same thing that we did for the uppercase C. So for the lowercase c, we're going to start below the dotted line this time. And we're going to go around and back. So that's our lowercase c. What sound does C make again? Right, C makes the K sound. Now we're going to look at two pictures, and I want you to tell me which word begins with the letter C. So which word starts with the letter C? Cup or guitar? Listen closely. Cup, guitar. That's right. Cup starts or begins with the letter C. Let's look at two more. Cat and nail. Cat, nail. Which word starts or begins with the letter C? Which word starts or begins with the letter that makes the K sound? That's right. Cat. Cat begins with the letter C. Great job today.